Hey lovelies, so today we're going to be talking about the Ultimate Creator Directory, which is a Notion template that I've created that you can obviously see on screen. I'm just going to move my head over here. And it is free with the purchase of my book, softcover and hardcover. You get the direct link and you can duplicate, and then from there you can edit after you duplicate it. So you can see here, it's very comprehensive. It goes through video checklists, video guides, podcasts, checklists, creator resources. Sorry, a frog in my throat. Blog checklists, templates for future use, TikTok creation checklists, content libraries, creator motivation, and useful creator widgets. And just in case you guys forget, you go here. You can duplicate it by just going here and pressing duplicate. It'll show on the side right here. It'll show as a shared template. I've already duplicated it here. So you can see this is the private. This is your private one, and this is one that I made. So I made both, but I'm just saying, like, you'll get a private one just for you when you press duplicate. And then as you go down here, each one of these, so this is the brainstorming. I'll move my head again. This is a brainstorming list ideas. Go back. YouTube outline list. Shot list. Equipment list. Filming locations. And obviously, when you have this, you can delete any of this and add your own stuff. So the checklists, you kind of build your own checklists. I don't want to give you guys access to everything because or else then you'll see pretty much everything. But when you purchase it, you'll get to see what's inside of each one of these that I've created for you. It's regularly updated, so every year if you want to start a new one from scratch, you can do that and just reduplicate the one that I gave you originally, and then you'll have everything from scratch. And so I'll just give you an idea. So for the scripting, I give you a guide for that. For publishing, I give you a guide for that. And then templates. But yeah, like I said, I update it regularly. So if each year you want to check back and you want to get it, once you have it, you pretty much have it forever. And so that is the bonus. Normally it sells for $75 on Gumroad, which is a place where you can find and sell templates. And this one is specifically for creators, and I put a lot of work into it. And I'm excited to share it with you so that you can get some use, because with the book and with this, you'll have all the knowledge that you need to start a successful YouTube channel. So if we go over here and we click here, I want to give you guys access to where to purchase the book. So this is the hardcover. You can see it here. So that's the hardcover. See all the things you get. You get the Ultimate Creator Notion template, be your own resource guide, exclusive income breakdowns, thousands of YouTube video ideas, proven templates, step-by-step mini workbook, hardcover exclusive features. So yes, there's exclusive features, and this is $68 Canadian. So for Americans, it'll be $50. And if we go to my other, these are the two books. We go to the paperback version. It's $25 USD and $34 Canadian. And there's 255 pages. And you can see that it does look different, but the soft cover is a matte finish, a matte paper finish, and the hardcover is a glossy finish. So, yeah, it's very nice. I'm excited for you guys to get your hands on it. So if you guys would like to purchase this and get your hands on the Notion template, I hope that you guys will. And like I said, all things are updated and the link will stay the same. So it's easy to make a Notion account. A Notion is completely free. If you guys want to upgrade to AI or other features, then, but to actually make the checklists and all that stuff, and to organize and use their tools, it's 100% free. So I've included some widgets in there for you guys, and you guys can keep all of your graphics and all of your library here. So this is a widget that allows you to, this is a Pomodoro. If you want to take a short break or a long break, then you can just start it. And then this is a time blocking widget, which if you want to block said time and add some of these things in here, keeping track of your habits and then time blocking. So yeah, there is a bunch more in here. I'm looking forward to creating more templates in the future, which I will share with you in the same way. I'm really pumped that I finally learned how to use OBS correctly, and you guys will be able to see so many more amazing things. This is like a blossom, like this, what's around me. I think it's cooler than having a circle or a square, because everybody has a circle or a square. So Hungwana Blossom is also my Twitch username. And I did have a YouTube channel as Hungwana Blossom, but I'm not quite sure when I'm actually going to start regularly gaming on there. Just because I have so many plans for this channel, and I really want to focus on less this year. I think focusing on more sometimes gets you distracted away from the most important things. So I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I hope that you guys will get some use out of the Ultimate Creator Directory. And you should be able to get the book directly on Amazon.com or .ca. So have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.